Go over and get this big forker. And be careful, man, there might be some snakes. God. I'll stay kind of high, it's muddy here. I love these swamps. Dang it. I just want to see the tusk on this sucker. One we had on video, a trail camera. Put our little lights out. They're lit up. He's a big one, I can tell you that. His wheel's right up there. Do what? He's still alive? Hold a second. Want me to shoot him a pistol?
Yeah.
Here. Hold this. Hold this. He shot him in the head. Watch out.
Hold on, let me cover my ears. Go ahead.
Dang, them suckers are tough.
Oh shit, look at the cutters on this.
I told you. They're hard to put down, man. That's why I said shoot them in the head.
He's got some cutters on here.
Trying to see if I had a light on this camera.
Did what?
I was trying to see if my light was working on this camera. God, I might have messed his mount up there, Mike.
I wasn't going to mount him anyway.
Yeah, these things cost too much.
Here. He's a 200-pound hog.
Hold a second, let me put this pistol up.
Are you going to put that on Facebook real quick? Or what?